Recently, while working on a project in Unity, I ran into a weird issue that messed up a lot of the tags I had assigned to objects in my scene. If you're like me, then you probably started to hate your life, thinking that you now needed to manually check and fix the tags on everything in your game. But no worries, I found a simpler way to fix everything. So I'm going to recreate the issue in this scene. Here I have several shapes and I've given all of them custom tags to match. Now let's say I decide I no longer need cubes in my game, so I delete the cube. And then I also want to clean up my tag list by removing the cube tag. When I do that and I save my scene, every object that had a tag lower in the list than the cube tag now has an incorrect tag. It's as if the shape thinks, oh, I have the seventh tag in the list, and it doesn't care that the seventh tag has changed. So to fix this, I can either manually go through and fix every object in my game to have the correct tag, or even easier, just close and reopen your project. When you open it back up, everything has the correct tag again. It's weird, but somehow this makes Unity check the tags based on title rather than just their position in the tag list. I hope I saved you some time with this video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more useful Unity videos in the future. I'm Reedster with Far Gaming, and I'll catch you on the next one.